you, my dear brothers and sisters. How are you all? You are watching Sri Hari Coaching Center, and I am your English teacher, Shivam sir. So, my dear friends, how are you, and how is your English study? Actually, if you are following my advice, my recommendation, then everything is going very good, and by repeated practice, you will become a very good English speaker. This is my trust. So here I am again with very important lesson. Actually, we are running a series called one word substitution in English with Shivam sir. Actually, my dear brothers and sisters, many of my followers, viewers are saying that they are not understanding English. So I want to give a very hint to all of you, my dear brothers and sisters. Actually, I am not speaking very hard English. I am speaking just a normal and understandable English. Actually, we have to used to face the problems. If you are not understanding my words, then no problem. You can listen these things and you can use translator, Google Translator, and find out the Hindi of these things. Actually, first of all, if you do these things 2 or 3 days, after all, you are able to understand these things. I am not speaking very hard. This is very simple, common things. And after listening me and after following me, I am promising you, within 1 week you will be able to understand my language. It's a very simple and very understandable. So, my dear friends, here I am again with another video of the series one word substitution. I have already uploaded 8 videos of this series. If you haven't watched those videos, then after watching this video, please go to the playlist and watch those videos, my dear brothers and sisters. And yes, you have to grow. There is no other option, my dear friends. English is very important, and yes, this is the trend, this is the time of English. So you have to improve yourself. And if you have a pen or a diary, it's very good. If you don't have these things, then right now go and pick diary and a pen and make notes out of it. And yes, include these things to your daily speaking. The more you speak, the better you feel. You know very well. So my dear brothers and sisters, without wasting any kind of time, let's get started this video. So my dear brothers and sisters, this is our today's one word substitution list, and first sentence is one who takes arms against the government of the country. The sentence is saying that a person who is protesting the government, who is going against the government, so that person is called in English rebel. And if I talk about the Hindi meaning of rebel, so rebel means vidrohi. And my next second sentence is the act of taking up arms against the government. The act means activity or process. Taking up arms means any kind of weapon against the government. The acting, the processing of going against the government is called rebellion. So rebellion, if I talk about the Hindi meaning of rebellion, so rebellion means withdraw. There is a very slight difference between rebel and rebellion. Rebellion is a process and rebel is a person. My third sentence is a newly enlisted soldier. A newly enlisted soldier, the sentence is saying when a candidate or aspirants join any army or any kind of department which is belongs to the law and order, like police department or sub inspector department. So that type of person, when the person gets the training, then that person is called recruit. Okay, my dear friends, in our society, when a person or a candidate join the police or join the SI or any other police force, then for training he was called for the training. And if I talk about the one word for these things, so one word is recruit, and recruit means rangroot. So my next sentence is a person to whom a matter is referred for settlement. A person to whom, actually if you are a lover of cricket or a lover of football, then you are very well familiar with this word referee, because when a dispute or a fighting happened between the two players, then the referee was the man who decide the process, or who decide the dispute. So that type of person, and one word is referee. So I am repeating again, a person to whom a matter is referred for settlement, especially in matches. So one word for it, referee, and the Hindi meaning of this word is also referee. My next sentence is a change for better. A change for better. So it is very simple sentence. You have many things, you are changing yourself, so the change which leads to your progress, which leads to your betterment. So one word for this process, reform. If I talk about the Hindi meaning of reform, so reform means sudhar. And my next sentence is murder of a king. There is nothing to explain in this sentence, it is very easy. Murder of a king is called regicide. If I talk about the Hindi meaning of regicide, so regicide means raja ki hatya. My next sentence is entire extent of land under one government. You know very well, India has territories like Delhi, like Andaman Nicobar, like Lakshadweep, and like Jammu and Ladakh. So these are territories where the central government rule that area is called territory. So entire extent of land under one government is called territory. If I talk about the Hindi meaning of territory, so we can say kshetra. If you add union territory, then it is called Sangh Shasit Kshetra. My next sentence is a rope for tying up an animal. Actually, my dear friends, if you are belongs to a rural family or rural background, so if you have buffaloes and goats, so the rope which we tied the animals in the peg. So if I talk about peg means, my dear brothers and sisters, khoota ya khooti. So a rope for tying up animals. So tether, that rope is called tether in English, one word. So a rope for tying up an animal, one word for this line is tether. And if I talk about the Hindi meaning of the tether, so tether means पशुओं को बांधने वाली रस्सी. My next sentence is a student who runs away from the class without permission. Actually, my dear friends, there are many students who runs away from the school, who come school from home, but they do not go to school. They go with friends and play and enjoy the movie. So that this is very important. This is very important in the point of view of intermediate exam. So my dear brothers and sisters, take it seriously. A student who runs away from the class without permission is called truant. If I talk about the Hindi meaning of truant, so truant means कक्षा से भागने वाला. And my next and last sentence is take possession by the force or without right. Actually, take possession means to ensure or to cover any piece of land or any piece of building by forcefully, not in agreement or not with the politeness, forcefully or without right, or you have no right to cover or force to show the force on a piece of land or piece of building. So take possession by force or without right. So one word for this, usurp. If I talk about the Hindi meaning of usurp, so usurp means बलपूर्वक अधिकार करना. There are some people who forcefully attack someone or who forcefully covered the piece of land which belongs to poor people or weak people. So this is the last sentence of this video, and in the last note I want to say thank you. So my dear brothers and sisters and every viewers, this is the last video of the series one word substitution. And my dear brothers and sisters, you are with us, it means it is very your politeness, and I am really I want to really thank you from the bottom of my heart to all of you. Please give your support and for the growth of the channel, and share this video as much as you can. So after this video now, my dear brothers and sisters, I am going to start a new series, and that new series will be all about active voice and passive voice. So if you want to become a perfect converter or transformer, I will say, because active voice and passive voice is a transforms of sentence, not more than that. So after this video I will start a new series, and that series will be active voice and passive voice. So please keep in touch to the growth of your English and to the growth of your English speaking area. So my dear brothers and sisters, if you liked and enjoyed this video, then right now hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel Sri Hari Coaching Center, then right now subscribe my channel. And on the last note, I want to say the slogan of our channel, and the slogan is, the more you practice, the better you feel. The more you practice, the better you will be one day. And love English, like English, and feel English. So we shall meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thank you.